Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the NTRon 2000 expert advisor for MetaTrader 5. This is a gold system that claims to combine AI news sentiment with order book simulation on the 30-minute time frame on gold, and the backtest looked almost perfect. So let's examine what actually powers it and how realistic the numbers are, because in this video I'll be showing you my backtest and I'll also be using it to compare with what the developer shows and also realistic trading with the NTRon 2000 expert advisor. So ensure you watch until the end. It's totally packed. And before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. And you can download it for free 100% by using the link in the description below. So ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now, without wasting any much of your time, let's get right into it. According to the MKO5 page, which we are on, the NTRon 2000 is a hybrid strategy built exclusively for gold, the XAU USD, on the 30-minute chart. It uses two main layers. First, real-time sentiment analysis of economic news through an AI model, and it's powered by ChatGPT 5, which is kind of like the latest model on ChatGPT, OpenAI. And the second layer it uses is the simulated DOM, which is order book imbalances, and it uses this based on tick data that tries to detect liquidity walls and institutional pressure in the market. Now, the combination of these components helps the expert advisor find entries and exits based on both fundamental and market price action data. The system only takes trade when both the macro sentiment and the microstructural filter agrees. It claims to avoid fake liquidity and news traps by using contextual AI interpretation rather than simple keyword filters. There is no greed, there is no martingale according to what they portray here, and there is also no dangerous strategies. The risk is managed through different models from conservative to aggressive, and every trade has a defined take profit and stop loss. Yeah. Now let's talk about the features marketed by the developer. The key features they highlight are the dual AI plus DOM filtering, which is the order book imbalances filtering, and it does this on the 30-minute time frame. They also have the multiple risk modes. We have the drawdown filter option. Then there's the claim of intelligent news handling instead of simply avoiding news. Then the developer also emphasizes that the system is designed for long-term stability rather than short-term hype, and it has an intelligent filter against false signals. All of these are information marketed by the developer. He also shows some strong backtest results here. The initial deposit on this aggressive test is $1,500 on their deposit, and total net profit is 56 million, over 56 million dollars from this, and it has a good history quality. So this is actually on the MetaTrader platform, and they have a profit factor of 23.98. All of these are impressive numbers. We are seeing win rate of 99%, 98 to 99%, almost flawless. Total trades 1,403, and all of these are what is portrayed on their site. You can see how it works based on AI and order book management. You can see these are the charts and the information that we can see portrayed by the developer. They promise so much numbers here. You see initial deposit of $1,500. Total net profit is over $15 million. So these numbers are very high. So I had the opportunity to run my own backtest to check if all these numbers are actually valid, if they are real. I ran this test on the MetaTrader 5. I ran this test on the MetaTrader 5 on gold on the 30-minute time frame from June 2025 to June 2026 with a $10,000 starting balance, and it produced an extremely strong result. We have over $629,000 in profit, net profit factor of 463.46, and a 99% win rate. So this is actually in line with their own backtest. The numbers are also high, impressive numbers in my backtest, and also impressive numbers in their own backtest, developers backtest. So they they only had one losing trade in all of this, just one losing trade, and equity curve was almost a straight line upward. There was little to no activity in 2025, but as we enter 2026 and late 2025 to 2026, we started seeing the upside and little spikes at the end. These numbers match the style of the developers published backtest, which also show very high win rates and profit factors. However, results are based on historical performance and can differ significantly in live trading depending on market conditions, spreads, slippage, and the risk settings used. So you should be aware. Don't just take because of all of these impressive results and you jump in expecting the same. The market conditions can be different, and also real trading, live trading can involve slippage and spreads, different market conditions. Yeah, but you should put all of this into consideration when getting this expert advisor. Honestly, the thing is, any system that posts near perfect win rates on gold is usually heavily optimized. In practice, this means live results will almost certainly show more losses, lower profit factors, and higher drawdowns than the backtest. The wide stop relative to the take profit also means a single bad trade can hurt. Single bad trade can hurt, but so far so good based on the backtest, my own and the developer's own. It's actually impressive. Now, my verdict on this EA is that it is an AI filtered gold system with impressive but highly optimized backtest. It can be interesting for experienced traders who understand the curve fitting risk and are willing to forward test carefully with low risk. Avoid it if you expect the backtest numbers to repeat live or if you need reliable moderate performance. That is our review on the NTRon 2000 expert advisor. It's an impressive advisor, but I'll advise you approach it with caution. Now, like this video if this real tests help you out. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more honest expert advisor reviews like this one. Drop a comment below which EA you want me to test next. And don't forget to grab the free Forex robot in the description below. Trade safe, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.